there, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. My name is Palina and today I'll be filming a makeup tutorial. Get ready with me on simple makeup look with bold red lips. That's what I'm feeling today. It's sunny outside. I just feel like sitting in my room and do some makeup and have fun and film it. And I'm wearing this new t-shirt I got for the first time. This is a Hebrew Star Wars t-shirt. I really like it. Yeah, there's some uninvited guests on my face. It's okay, they will go away in a few days, no biggie. Let's get started with the makeup. It's always important to stay hydrated, so remember to drink some water. I'm using my YSL Touche Éclat foundation today, and as always, I'm using one pump of foundation on the back of my hand, and I like to use my fingertip to spread it around my face before blending it out. And I'm using this really cute, bright, green and blue marbled sponge. It has two cuts on it, a smaller cut and a bigger cut. I'm using the bigger cut side for foundation and the smaller cut side for concealer. For concealer, I'm using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm applying it under my eyes where I have dark circles, on some blemish spots, and then I will blend it out with a smaller cut side of the sponge. I ordered 2 new lipsticks and I'm so excited because they will arrive soon. I wanted to try the Kaleidos lip glaze because I saw people raving about it online, and I bought a nude color and a turquoise color, so I'm really excited to see how they will look on me. My eyebrow routine is always really simple. I use an eyebrow pencil to fill in and draw my eyebrows, and then use a spoolie side to just brush them out. Very simple. I'm using my Canmake Marshmallow powder to set my makeup. It does give you a very nice marshmallow finish. To add some warmth and color to my face, I'm using the Too Cool for School Artclass by Rodin shading powder. I like to use the darker shades to shade my face and use the lighter shades to contour my nose. I don't normally contour my forehead, but they do look a little bit big today, so they can use some shading powder. Taking the lighter shades, I'm going to contour my nose. I'm not a pro at this, I'm just doing a little shading on the two sides of my nose. For the eye look today, I'm using my Nars Euphoria face palette. There are some nice neutral shades in there. Last time I wanted to do a very natural brown eye look paired with bold red lips, but I ended up dipping into more shimmers and glitters and made a really sparkly look out of it. So this time I'm keeping my hands away from dipping into more shades. Just one simple brown shade all over the lid. And that's it for the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, apply eyeliner, mascara, and the eye look is complete. I like to do this when I'm lazy or don't have time. It's a really simple look, like a 1-minute look. I will do a little winged eyeliner. As always, I like to start off by the lash line, find that feeling, and then create the wing. After I get the triangle part of the wing done, I will fill in the empty space. For mascara, I'm using my Clio Lash mascara as always. It's my favorite, the best I've tried. It holds the curl of my lashes, makes them look long and thick, and I love it. Now back to the face makeup. For blush, I'm using my Nars blush in the shade Taos. It's a very pretty warm toned pink color with some gold shimmers in it. For highlighter, I'm taking the light highlighter shade from my Nars Euphoria face palette. Also, as I'm editing and doing voiceover for this video right now, I hear lots of construction noises in the background, like metal pipes being thrown and stuff like that. I see, so that's why I'm doing voiceover for this video. The past Palina was wise. For the bold red lips, I'm using my MAC Ruby Woo lipstick. This is a really pretty color. It can be a little bit drying and the lipstick is a little bit stiff, but I really love the color it gives me. I like to use the outer part of the lipstick to line my lips, kind of using it as a lip liner before filling in my lips. And this is a finished makeup look. I'm really happy how the look turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and liked this look. Please take care of yourself. Have a good day. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!